7 Ways AI can unlock your creativity in life and business. AI can unlock greater creativity, inspiring new ideas that transcend traditional thinking. AI can boost productivity by blending data-based insights with new ideas. Many applications of AI already exist to foster creativity, from composing music to business marketing. When used creatively, AI can challenge limiting mindsets, broadening the horizons of the human mind. Here are 7 practical ways that AI can be applied in various contexts to spark new thinking and innovative solutions. 1. AI-powered cooking. Explore new recipes or food combinations suggested by AI based on your taste preferences. Chat GPT, for example, provides a GPT cooking assistant to help identify ingredients, brainstorms recipes based on what's in your refrigerator, and identify recipes from uploaded food photos. 2. AI-powered personal finance. Use AI to identify creative investment strategies and money management solutions. Wealthfront, for example, uses AI algorithms in its robo-advisors to deliver personalized investment advice. 3. AI-powered travel planning. AI can recommend unique travel destinations and experiences based on your interests. Hopper, for example, uses AI to predict and analyze travel deals. 4. AI-powered photography. AI tools can suggest new color schemes, layouts, and styles, pushing your artistic boundaries. Adobe Sensei, for example, is revolutionizing design with AI-powered tools that transform photos, videos, and more. 5. AI-powered music. Experiment with AI-generated melodies and harmonies to compose unique music pieces. AIVA, for example, is a popular platform for AI-generated music composition. 6. AI-powered writing. Use AI to overcome writer's block by generating creative writing prompts or new story ideas. OpenAI's Chat GPT, for example, offers advanced AI writing assistance. 7. AI-powered marketing and advertising. Use AI to analyze trends and consumer behavior, inspiring cutting-edge marketing campaigns. MarketMuse, for example, leverages AI to enhance your website's content strategy and search engine rankings. Whether you're an artist, a business professional, or just someone looking to add a spark of creativity to your daily life, AI can be a valuable ally on your creative journey.